Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's going to be another makeup tutorial using the Pinky Rose Bright Lights palette. I'm testing this out and I'm trying to use as many colors in here as I possibly can. I have had another tutorial so far with this palette, so if you want to see that one, it will be linked in the cards. But this is like a very cool tone with like a splash of purple and a splash of peach makeup tutorial. It's another quick makeup tutorial. I have been posting a lot more of these like really quick makeup tutorials, and the reason is it's just simpler for me to edit these kinds of videos. I can just quickly film them and have them out for you guys, so that is the reason I've been posting more of these. But soon I will be back to doing like talk through makeup tutorials and more chatty videos in general. It's just like right now I'm a little bit busy, so I have to do these kinds of videos. Otherwise I will have to cut down on the amount of videos I post every week. So yeah, that's the reason I'm posting these kinds of quick makeup tutorials lately. But yeah, what else do I want to say? Oh yes, I do post videos every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday, as well as bonus videos throughout the week. So if you're interested in checking those out, be sure to check out my channel down below. But without further ado, because I've been talking for a long time, let's just get into the video. I just realized that my camera has been out of focus for I don't know how long, so I'm just going to tell you what I just did. What I did is, obviously, I put this color, this turquoise, right in my crease, and then to blend it out I used this color called Cloud. So that's pretty much what I've done so far, and I'm just working on blending it out even further. So yeah, back to the music. End of this look. This is another video with the Pinky Rose palette. I have been using a lot more of this palette since I have been testing it out, and I want to do a makeup, well, a palette review on this palette, and I want to be able to tell you which shades I like and which shades I don't, which is why I've been trying to do more and more looks with this one. I hope you really enjoyed this quick tutorial, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.